Hello everyone, today I want to do a wheel swap on this. It's a Greenlight Civic Si, so we're going to have a little bit of fun with this. So this is a Greenlight, so I don't have to remove the rivets here. I can just get in there and pry with my screwdriver like this, and I should be able to remove the wheels. So once I loosen it up, it actually becomes pretty easy. I'm definitely keeping these wheels, maybe for another car. And then I can take my custom wheels, get them out of the box. So this set comes with some little decals for the hubs. So that's kind of interesting. Now the axles, I'm probably going to have to grind them down with my Dremel. But let's see how they fit. So yes, I definitely have to grind them down because that just looks wrong. Although it could be like a drag racing car, but I'm gonna grind them down quite a bit. So after I've ground down the axles a little bit, I find the car sits just right. So what do you think? Did it improve the car? I'm actually very pleased with this. Also, I put on the little center cap decals, which is a neat little extra. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.